long you been married?
Oh, not married yet. Just engaged.
Yeah, just be sure you ready. I mean, congratulations. But just be sure you ready, you know, before you do it.
Are you married?
17 years, 3 kids, and 1 on the way.
Congratulations, that's wonderful.
Not when the man of your dreams turns out to be a total nightmare. And I'm just saying, you need to be sure you ready.
Oh, but surely you still love him. You're still with him.
Honey, I'm headed to the jail to pick him up for the 3rd time this week. I don't sleep. Every time the phone rings, I think it's gonna be the cops telling me he's dead, but it's not. It's worse. It's him telling me he got picked up again. If he was dead, I could at least stop worrying. So yeah, I still love him, but I wish I didn't. Look, I'm sorry. And maybe I shouldn't, but I mean, congratulations. You know, excuse me, it's my stop.